Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day, everyone. Okay, so we are now in week 10. The topic is isometric drawing. Okay, so using isometric commands is one of the simplest way to give a 3D representation while using only 2D commands. Okay, meaning that you are going to draw in a 2D. Okay, however, you will get a 3D image, okay, or 3D representation. Okay, before this, you have learned about orthographic projection, meaning that from a 3D object, you have to draw a top, left, and front. Okay. So here you are going to get a 3D image while using just only 2D commands, 2D AutoCAD. Okay, so this is the example of 3D view, 3D view in a 2D AutoCAD. So this is a box. Okay. Right. Isometric projection is a method, okay, for visually representing a 3D object in 2 dimensions, okay, in technical engineering. So basically, kalau sebelum ni you belajar orthography, you dapat daripada 3D, you kena draw dia punya top, left dengan front kan. So this time, you are going to draw the orthographic, you are going to draw isometric, okay, isometric drawing, which represent the 3D, okay, while using just only 2D AutoCAD. Okay, so this is an example, okay, of a 3D projection, okay, also known as a isometric projection. So we will use angle of 120 degrees, okay. So the term isometric, okay, this is just to say that this is an equal measure. So this is the 3D representation, also known as a isometric projection. Okay, kalau sebelum ni you belajar dalam orthography, you have to draw the top, for example this top, and then you have to draw the left, and then you have to draw the front. So, but in week 10, okay, you are going to draw the isometric drawing, meaning that you will get a 3D object, 3D image of the particular object. Right, to produce isometric, it is advisable that you begin by sketching out the isometric drawing complete. Okay, normally dalam orthography, okay, an object, a 3D object will be given, and then you have to draw the top, left, and front view. Okay, but for isometry, in some cases you need to draw the 3D itself just by looking the orthographic projection, top, left dengan front. Okay, so we can scroll to the next page. So how do you setting the isometric snap? Okay, so this is the original view of your 2D AutoCAD. So you are going to adjust it into isometric drawing. You have to select snap, enter, then select style, then select isometric. Okay, select vertical spacing, you have to select 0.5, enter. Okay, you are going to get this view. Okay, you can observe also your cursor is changing, whereas the coordinate, you tengok dia punya coordinate ni pun dah berubah. Okay, there are 3 main position when working in this setting. Use Ctrl E or F5 to toggle between isometric top, iso right, or iso left. Okay, so you can click F5. Okay, so this is your isoplane top, this is isoplane right, and this is your isoplane left. Okay, when drawing circles in isometric, the result will be an ellipse. Okay, to ensure that the ellipse is an isometric circle every time, ellipse command is called the setting I. Okay, command first ellipse and then type I. Meaning that untuk you buat isometric drawing, you tak boleh pakai regular kata circle. Okay, this one you have to type ellipse first. Okay, and then you have to click iso circle. Okay, alright. Okay, so buat satu. Okay, okay, while using this, while drawing this circle, you can also click F5. Okay, so that you can observe the change of front, iso front, okay, iso left and iso right. Okay, next, okay, how to do this drafting settings. Okay, before you draw, make sure you browse these windows and adjust accordingly. So how do you do this? Type D settings. Okay, so you are going to get this. Okay, just check increment angle. Okay, not tracking. Okay, you have this. Okay, let's say you don't have this. Okay, you have to add. Okay, just click, just put in the value accordingly. 10, then 13. Okay, 30. Okay, so check it to go. Right. Okay, and then click snap and grid. Okay. This one 0.5. Okay, once you have the exactly the same as in this slide, you can click OK. Right. Okay, before that we can try to do a isometric box drawing. Okay. Let's say we set as a 10. Okay. Okay, this is a box with a length of 10. Okay, make sure you punya pola tracking tu betul. So you're going to get a isometric drawing of a box. So let's say we are going to draw a circle here. Okay, you can also type ellipse. Okay. Alright. Before that, we have to decide. Okay, we have to determine the base point. So how do you offset it to 5? Okay. because this is the length of the box is 10, so we have to divide by 2. So how do you do that? Make sure you copy, select the base point, then okay, this is how you offset it. Okay, so offset into 5. Okay. Ellipse. Okay, again we have to offset this one. Okay, we have to offset into the length of 5. Okay. So this is the center. Okay, let's see. Here if you want to draw a circle in isometric, you cannot use this circle. Okay, to do, you have to type ellipse and then choose isocircle. Okay, choose the base point. Okay, okay, if you get this drawing, you need to change. How do you change? Okay, F5. Okay, this is a view from the top. Okay, this is the view from the right. Okay, this is the view from the left, top and right. How do you change it? Just by clicking F5. So the radius. Okay, let's say we would like to use radius of 3, for example. Okay, so you have it here. Okay, once you have this, you can just delete it. Okay, if you want to draw the circle on top and on the left side, what you need to do, you need to repeat the same process. Okay, copy base point. Okay, then move to with the length of 5 meter. Okay, same goes to here also, 5. Okay, from this side, copy, select your base point, then move it into 5. Okay, this one, copy. Okay, move. Okay, you select F5. Okay, so if it is not cross sectioning, you can move it to this one, similarly to this. Okay, once you have this center base point for circle, you can draw the circle, ellipse. Okay, circle in a normal view, whereas ellipse for isometric drawing. Okay, then click isocircle. Okay, the diameter is 3. Okay, let's say while you're drawing, you don't know whether it is top, right or left isometry. You can click F5. Okay, so you can see here, this is a left view. Okay, sorry, this okay, this is a right view and this is a top view. So you have to select this and then choose the radius, which is 3. Okay. Similarly for this one. Okay, select isocircle. Okay, if you don't see the snap, you can click F. Suppose we have to get or 2. Okay. Okay, so sorry, we have to select type ellipse and isocircle. So make sure you get this. Okay. And then select 3, so radius. So once you have completed the drawing of the circle, you can delete the dummy line. Okay, this is a drawing line in order for us to get the center point. Alright, let's go to the next slide. So this is exercise time. You need to draw this. You need to draw the orthographic, sorry, you need to draw the isometric object of this given top, left and right. So to do this, you need to begin with, okay, select this one. So the information, okay, one of the easiest way for you to check this image is by doing this snapshot. Control V, save as, for example this one. Okay, so open back the AutoCAD and you have to insert, attach this one, open. Okay, right. Specify scale or unit, you select millimeter, this one, and unit you select this one. Okay, this is your drawing. Just testing first. Alright, good. Okay, let's remove this object. Okay, we have to draw it on the top first. Okay, when you are drawing on the top, make sure you change the isoplane top. Okay, you can see this. How you can change it? Just by clicking F5. So this is your isoplane right, and this is isoplane left. So you are going to draw the top first. Okay, so select isoplane top. Okay, so this is a length of 80. Okay, and then this is 70 from this side, on the right side 70. Okay, again 80 here, then go I have to activate the snap. Okay, let's see whether we have activated the snap function or not. F3, alright. So if you are missing this, okay, this is a snap. Okay, when you see the small rectangular, okay, or small square there, this is a snap function. If you miss it, then you have to activate this whole snap function by select this one. Okay, it will be easier for you to get an accurate drawing. This one. Okay, this is your top. Okay. The thickness is 20. Okay, you have to move on this one. bottom. Okay, we can draw from the left side first. Okay, while you're drawing, it is better for you, it is advised, okay, for you to make sure your polar tracking is on. How you enable it? You make sure you type F10, okay, so make sure you get polar on so that you can get the accurate drawing. Okay, 130 enter. Make sure you move it into 20. Alright, so now we are going to draw. Okay, we have to complete the drawing of this object first. We have to use trim, okay, trim function. Right. Select one, TR, enter. Then we have to trim the unnecessary line. Okay, this one. Okay, why you have to trim all this one? Because this is a line which is hidden. Okay. Okay, this is a draft of the isometric drawing. Enter. So you have to draw the center line, okay, for the circle. So this is in between of 70. So on the right side it should be 35. Okay, copy selection. Then we can also, sorry, copy selection. This one, move it into 35. Okay, 70 divided by 2, 35. Okay. So in between, so you have to know what is the length of this dimension. check. So it is 60. You have to offset it into 30. Okay. Okay, so this is your center line. Alright, so now we have to draw the circle, ellipse, enter, isocircle. So select the center point. Okay, if you get this, then it is correct. If you, for example, you get like this drawing, that means this is the view from the right. Okay, if you get this is the view from the left. So make sure you cut it from the top. Okay, how you can click it? You have to click F5. So now you have to select the radius. Don't be confused. Okay, you have to select this from the image. It is the diameter is 40, so you have to use radius of 20. Okay. So now, how you are going to draw for the rest of the ellipse circle? So you have to click this, copy selection, and you can just move it this one. Okay, 20. Okay, and this one should be 150. This one should be 110. Okay, so you have to remove the before you actually you don't need to remove it. Because this is a center line. Okay, now you have to do a trimming process to ensure to delete the hidden line. Yeah. Same goes to this one. Selection, select from this point and place it here. Okay, so here you go. This is a drawing. If you don't want to see the center line also, you can delete it. So this is your isometric drawing from a given orthographic drawing plane. Okay, top, left and right. Alright, so the next tutorial is an orthographic projection, okay, where you have a 3D object. It is drawn in a orthographic projection. So this is your left view and this is the right view. So you need to draw the isometric drawing for this projection. So it is mentioned here the step by step on how you can draw this isometric drawing. So let's begin with the circle first. Okay, similarly you can insert the image like what I've taught you previously. So begin with ellipse, enter, isocircle. So you have 20 in diameter. Okay, that means you have to choose a radius of 10. Okay, before that, make sure you get this check whether this is left, top, okay, and right. Okay, you can click F5 to confirm it that with the ISO plane. Okay, make sure you start with ISO plane right. Okay, by clicking F5. So, clicking ellipse, ISO circle, okay, radius of 10, because it is mentioned that inside circle the diameter is 20. So if by default if you select 20, that means you will get 40 in diameter, because this is if you see the commands, you need to specify radius first. If you want to select diameter, you have to click this. So by default you have to put in the radius of the circle. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, and then another circle which is outside. Okay, you can repeat. Okay. Sorry. Click ISO circle. And then this one 20. Okay. So the next step is draw a line here. Okay. The line is 50. From center to 50. And then this is 50 also. While drawing this, you can check the dimension whether it's correct or not. Okay, means you have 40 here. So you can do the trimming process. So now we have to determine the thickness, which is 10. Selection. Okay, we have to move it to 2. Then the cap is 30 plus 10. Plus 10 equivalent to 40. Okay. this image. So make sure while you are doing this, you have to check the dimension whether it is correct or not. So you have 30 mm. Okay, and this is correct, 30. Okay. This is 10 mm. Right. So we need to connect it, this one. Okay, you can trim so that you can get a much better picture. This will be hidden. Alright. So you have connected. It's better, I think, for us to draw the center line, because you are going to get a center line for the circle. So how do you know this? This is for 30 mm distance, so you have to offset this one. Should be 15. this is 30. Okay, maybe we can avoid confusion by drawing so we need to draw the center line, circle, diameter of 10 means we have to draw this circle with the radius of 5. Okay. This should be 30, okay? So once you have this, you can connect. Okay, after this you can do the trimming process. First, we need to check whether we got it correct or not. sorry, there is an error for the drawing. Okay, the hole should not be here, because as you can see from the drawing, okay, from the right side there is only one hole which is visible, so it means this is from the left side. Okay, it should be here, not this one. So I have to delete this one. Meaning that this should be here. Okay, you have to change the ISO plane view, okay, to the left side by clicking F5. So you have to set in the value of 5, then repeat ellipse, choose this center point, sorry, repeat ellipse, then choose ISO circle, select this one, then select choose 15 as a radius. Okay, so you can do the trimming process here. Or you can just copy and paste first. Copy selection, move it to this side, which is 30. Here. Okay. Okay, for the connecting line, so it should be here, this one. Okay, so delete the unnecessary line. This one. Okay, once you have this drawing, you have to check whether it's correct or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all, this is an error because this is the actual one. Alright, so there are some parts which are incorrect, so we have to correct this. So we have to connect this one. Okay, before we connect this one, make sure you check this one. Oh snap. Okay, you have endpoint, midpoint, center. You have, okay, and then click this one, tangent. Alright, so if you have the tangent line, it will be easier for you to get the drawing correct. This one, enter, repeat line, enter. Okay, now we have to delete, we have to do the trimming process. This one, and then this one. Alright, so this is his drawing. Okay, I will teach you how to do the dimensioning. Okay, first, just do it as usual. Ya, itu dia hiburan di pagi hari. Alright, okay, for this dimension, what you need to do, okay, select connected, and dimension, choose oblique. Alright, select first, 1, 2, 3, 4. Select 90. For this, one, two, three, four. Okay, function oblique. Select 200. There we go. Okay, for the angles, supposedly the resulting angle will be 19 degree, but in fact because this is isometric, that's why it's detected. Okay, it is detecting that you are obtaining 19 degree, but in fact actually you are using 30 degree. Okay, so how do you do this? To make sure by the time you get this image, okay, you click right click and text, then change it to 30 degrees. See? Sekejap Fan. This one. Okay. Okay, similarly for this. It's detecting 30 degree, but in fact it is actually a 45 degree, so you have to click right click. Okay, make sure you don't click anything yet. Once you got this exactly the same thing like me, what I've shown, make sure you click right click, then end text, change here to 45 degree. Okay, come. So here you go. Okay, similarly for this one, you just show the degree. You can just use this one. Alright. Mai, come. Oh. Okay. So, okay, choose this point. Then, you can type anything you like. Fine. Right. So you can just adjust this by using annotate. Fine. Where is it? Can you tengok Afan? You can disable first the post then. Post that is here. Okay, and then enable it back. So you will get it this one. Okay, there you go. So you can watch the step by step for doing the drawing of exercise 2. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I will attach this file also for you to refer.